Hello everybody, it's me, Ryder Slasher here with another video, and today we're going to be playing another gaming video once again. The third time this day, because I'm pretty lazy. So today we're going to be playing Flood Escape 2 again, because I love playing Flood Escape. But this time, we are going to play Chaos Mode. This is my favorite, because it has loads of players in it. Alright. Alright, sorry about that, everyone. Now, let's get to the challenge. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. Wait, no! Ah, fine. Ah, fine. Alright, I'm not gonna fail this time. I'm not. No more playing around, Ryder. This is it. Why does this guy have tails suit? He's wearing his skin! I think I'm gonna be sick. What? Oh no 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 no. Okay. Well, I don't know what's going on. Oh no! Go on with. Help me if I die. God. Uh oh. Well, I'm dead. Oh, I guess not. Well, a gold star for me, everyone. Well, I'm dead. Jeez, this level is hard, everyone. This is hard. Ugh, whatever. Anyways. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Ah! Okay. I keep pressing the wrong button. Oh no. No. Oh no. No 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 no. Get the button. Oh my gosh, you guys are so dumb. How dumb? Like 84. Or maybe 100%. Because you guys are so lazy. Because that took guts. That took loads of guts. Okay? Stop doing that. Clones of Obamas. Obama? Understand? Okay. 4 players. Alright, wow, there is more. Better count everyone. Alright. Oh, Ah! Come on, go, 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 go! I'm gonna win this. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh my gosh, that was so close, everyone. That was super close. Oh my gosh, I took guts. You can't beat me for my speed, Flood. And it just turned red, by the way. Red doesn't look good. Alright, let's do that level. I can't why I keep laughing like that. Alright. Come on. Come on. You're gonna pay me your house payment, everyone. SML reference. Alright. You're gonna pay me. I don't know why this keeps stopping all of a suddenly. Whoa. Oh, fine, I'll go get it. There, you guys happy? Uh-oh. Not, oh, that's not good. Okay. Woo! Whoa, this guy's... Oh, never mind. That was just my imagination. My bad. No! Oh my gosh, you guys are making me dizzy. Alright, enough of that mod. It's time to go to the normal mod. Okay. Sorry I had to leave everyone, but it was too glitchy for me. There we go. I want no more dizziness. No more. Okay? Alright. Oh, I'm gonna play that one. Yeah, that one. No, 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 no. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Man, I love this level. Sometimes You gotta be kidding me. Eh. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, no, 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 no. You are so small. That took guts. Okay? Whoever did that, I'll sue you. How about that? Yeah, I'll sue you. Since when? No, only one person can go get. Never mind. The flood comes here in 30 minutes. Or maybe one. I don't know. Oh, okay, you got it. Come on, come on. Okay, okay. It glitched a bit. Oh my gosh, I don't even know why this keeps doing this. Uh-oh, lava. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot. It's just a pistol. It's just a pistol. It's just a pistol. I was just talking to myself, everyone. Yeah, cheery boy. Dang it. Well, 1 minute, 15 seconds. Dang it. Oh well. Well, I guess that guy left the game. That girl left the game. Come on, Ma, you could do it. Come on, come on, come on. You can make it, you can make it. No, 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 not in the last second. Never mind, I think she survived. Alright. Two more levels, then we could be done for today. Same exact level, huh? Fine with me. Alright guys, we're gonna do 2 more levels, then we could be done for today, alright? I can just cut this. There we go. Ah. It's just a pistol. It's just a pistol. It's just a pistol. Come on. Come on. Let's do this. Yeah. It's just a pistol. It's just a pistol. It's just a pistol. Hey. What? Whee! Alright, you go get it. What are you doing? Dude, what are you doing? Never mind. Ah! I don't think so. Come on, go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Oh, thank goodness I made it this time. Finally. No, I'm not supposed to jump there, alright. Alright, guys, it's just a pistol. It's just a pistol. Alright, let's go up. Really? Dude, get in! Dude, get in! Yeah. That poses never mind. Alright, one more gameplay, and I can be done for today, everyone. And yes, I missed you guys too. Wah! Foolish game. Whatever. Oh, come on. What? Come on, mates! Nice, fresh water. Alright, anyways. Come on, mates. Come on. Oh no! Turn it to acid! My only weakness! It turned into acid! My only weakness! Everyone weakness! Oh, now that's death. That's death. Guys, what are you waiting for? What? What? Uh-oh. Not so fast, mate. How do you keep surviving? Oh.